What's up, guys? So today we're going to check this thermostat that I just bought. So this is a Tama ENT for Honda City or Civic. By the way, guys, I have a 1999 LXI non-VTEC. I check online and Facebook and other online store for the price. This is right about 700 pesos to 1000 pesos, which is 20 US dollars, but I only bought this for 450 pesos, which is $9. So packaging wise, it's just the box and then the thermostat itself. Quality is just right for the price. Not that high and not that bad either when it comes to quality. And as you can see, I can press the springs, unlike the old thermostat that I have. It's really hard to press, and I'm thinking it's probably really faulty. So what's happening in my car is the coolant from the reservoir is boiling and spilling over, so I will need to add coolant from time to time, which is not a good thing. So we're going to simulate that coolant by boiling a pail of water, and then we're gonna drop this down to check and see what's gonna happen, okay, so that we can check and see if this is really working or not. And as you can see, everything is closed, nothing is open. So I'm gonna drop this and let's check and see what's going to happen, okay? For example, assuming that this is the coolant in our car. Let's go. Alright, so there you have it. So if you're gonna do this, guys, please be careful, alright, because boiling water is really hot. And by the way, I'm using this water heater, which usually plug into 220 volts. So if you're gonna be using this, so there's probably electricity in the water as well. So please be careful. I'll get back to you. I'm just gonna get something to get that thermostat. All right. Okay, so I'm back. So I think this will be enough, a tongue, so that we can go ahead and pull the thermostat out of the water. It hasn't been a minute yet, but let's check and see if something happened already, okay? Oh, there you go. I think it's open now, so this is really working. That's good. So let me show it to you. So there you go. See the difference? So this one is open. So this is what usually happens inside our car. So when the engine or the water or the coolant inside our car temperature is high enough, so the thermostat will open so that the coolant will flow and will cool our engine. Alright, so that our engines will not overheat. So basically, guys, if we have a faulty thermostat inside our car, so there'll be no flow of coolant inside our car, and that will cause our car or vehicle to overheat, and that's something that we don't want to happen. So basically, guys, this thermostat acts like a switch, like a faucet for our coolant from the radiator to our engine, then back to our radiator again to lower down the temperature. So basically, this is what this thermostat is all about. And just a disclaimer, guys, I am not an expert. I just learned this from watching videos and researching and reviews as well, and I'm just sharing to you what I found out. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and comment any questions that you might have, and subscribe to my channel. Peace out. Goodbye for now.